Hey there, I'm Chris Willa Williams with the Go Getter team, and here are three investment strategies to get started in real estate. This is one of the most common. One, buy your first property, live in it, and then move out and rent it out. Very simple, right? That's a shocker. I'll give you another one. You can also buy a multifamily property, live in one side if you don't want to share the property with anyone else, and rent out the other side. That person who's living and renting out the other side will work at paying your mortgage. This is very common in the Midwest. Some places in the South they're not even as up on it, but some of the best experiences I've had with helping people start the process of building wealth involved them buying their first property, which was a duplex or a quadruplex, living in one side and renting out the others. While those people paid their mortgage, they were able to save more money for their next property, and their property value increased, and on top of that, they had extra income coming in from the rent. Sounds pretty cool, right? Number three, you can actually rent out rooms in a property. You can live in one room and rent out rooms if you're near a college town, or you're near a place where there's a lot of people in transition, or you have people coming for corporate jobs who just need a place to lay their head. We call those the Monday through Thursdays. Those people, they fly in on Monday, fly out on Thursday, and then they go ahead and leave for the whole weekend. So you've got your full place back to you, and it's an easy rental and it makes great money. That's three ways you can get involved investing in real estate and start building wealth. If you got more questions, we'd love to talk to you and help you out.